The MBUX in the new EQS offers various features that make the ride more enjoyable for all passengers. The face recognition authenticates you and changes the vehicle settings according to your preferences. And you can select your favorite energizing comfort program, which relaxes you with massage seats, the right temperature, and light setting. As a driver, you have the choice between different modes, for example, the classic EV mode.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Navigate to the Eiffel Tower.
Starting route guidance to Eiffel Tower.
The Range Assist shows you the charging points along your trip, taking over the route planning for you. Wait, Oliver, watching a movie while driving? Wouldn't you rather switch to the passenger seat? On the co-driver's seat, you can enjoy your movie while driving without disrupting the driver. And to make your ride even more pleasant, you can choose the massage program while you're at it. The features can be used not only by the front passengers, but also from the rear ones. Oliver, why not also check out the back? In the rear, the passenger can not only continue watching the movie, but also call up the vehicle status or even play a game. And of course, you can also use your time to check your emails or the next meeting in your calendar. So, what's your favorite seat, Oliver?
I love them all.
The zero-layer concept for the new EQS allows you to keep all relevant functions in view while it gets to know you better over time with the help of AI.
Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Navigate to work.
Your EQS learns your routine and saves you unnecessary interactions, such as by choosing your usual route to work. And as your preferences change, the system offers you to quickly and easily readjust in an intuitive manner. By switching to the submenus, you receive more detailed information and adjustment options. With the new climate menu, for example, you can set the desired air quality with visual support and activate additional functions such as ionization and scenting. Of course, there are more ways to personalize your EQS experience. With the help of the EQ application menu, you can customize charging management to your personal needs through a few easy steps. With the Mercedes-Me app, you can create and fine-tune long-distance routes in the EQS using just your fingertips and plan charging and intermediate stops in advance. At the start of your journey, you can call up previously created and saved routes simply through voice command.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Navigate to the Eiffel Tower.
Starting route guidance to Eiffel Tower.
With the EQ module, you can adapt route and charging options while driving. The new range assistants support you in reaching your destination in a fuel-efficient way. With the zero layer, you always have an eye on the battery status. For example, the driver receives active suggestions for using the eco driving function. And with the new hyperscreen, even charging can become a relaxed process in the EQS. The new MBUX in the EQS not only offers additional features for the driver, but for the co-passenger too. With the personal passenger profile, personal data such as your contacts, calendar, or office in the car are automatically available. The co-driver can watch movies or do shopping, for example, at any time via the passenger display to avoid using their smartphone while riding. But the co-driver also has the option of being actively involved in the driving process with the extensive functions available on the co-driver screen. For example, the co-driver can take over the configuration of vehicle settings or navigation data to support the driver. 3 things you need to know about electric driving in the new EQS. First, the EQS offers up to 770 kilometers of electric range and with up to 385 kilowatts of system power from 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive in the 4MATIC version. The EQS will be a blast to drive. Second, the completely new generation of batteries with a cell energy content of 107.8 kilowatts per hour has an in-house developed energy management software to increase its efficiency. Third, and a very helpful feature for everyday life, is the navigation with electric intelligence. It calculates the fastest route to your destination, taking into account charging stops and charging times, as well as other factors such as traffic situation, topography, and weather. If you have to charge, you can recharge up to 300 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. So you see, the electric driving experience of the new EQS is both energizing and very convenient. 3 things you need to know about high tech in the EQS. First, you experience it right when entering the car. The automatic front doors close with just a simple gesture thanks to the MBUX interior assistant. Second, while driving, artificial intelligence anticipates your next move. You no longer have to scroll through menus in the EQS. The zero-layer feature of the MBUX hyperscreen suggests, for instance, a music track or to call a friend all by itself. Third, while the experience inside the EQS is a pleasure of serenity, the EQS contributes to outstanding aerodynamics with a drag coefficient of 0.20, a world record for production vehicles. Thanks to the intelligent Mercedes-Benz user experience, MBUX, and the engineering expertise of Mercedes-Benz, the EQS is a unique piece of tech. 3 things you need to know about the interior of the new EQS, which is a holistic fusion of analog and digital design that delights all senses. First, no smell, no noise, no stress. With its reference to the architecture of modern homes and the usage of avant-garde materials, the EQS becomes a new living space for driver and occupants. Second, the interior of the EQS appeals to all senses. For instance, the flowing surfaces and wooden trim parts offer a great haptic experience. Active scenting and the HEPA air filter appeal to the sense of smell. Third, and you can enjoy a lot of space in the EQS, also in the rear seats. Plus, all MBUX functions are available for the backseat passengers as well. With the MBUX Hyperscreen, the high-quality materials, and its spaciousness, the EQS offers a completely new luxury experience.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the technical deep dive of the new EQS. As the latest member of the Mercedes-EQ family, we gave this electric luxury sedan a drive concept that will serve as the basis for further high-end electric models, including SUVs. Our modular electric vehicle architecture, also called EVA, is scalable in every respect. This is thanks to a variable wheelbase and track width. Many other system components, such as the battery and the electric motors, are also scalable. Let's start with the highly efficient lithium-ion battery concept. Equipped with either pouch or hard case cells, it has an energy capacity of up to 107.8 kilowatt-hours and a range of up to 770 kilometers according to WLTP. We increased the battery's cell density compared to previous Mercedes-EQ units. It's also now combined with an intelligent battery management system that we designed in-house. To keep the EQS softer current, it's updated over the air. All this results in the perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Now on to the electric motors. On the road, you will notice that there is almost no noise from the drivetrain due to the intelligent design and construction of the electric drive, the arrangement of the elastomer bearings and support frames, and the sound insulation of the electric motors. For example, the motors are doubly decoupled from the body using rubber bushings and entirely encapsulated using special acoustic foam. Inside the motors themselves, we implemented what is called stator skew. This means that in relation to the permanent magnets in the rotor, the windings in the stator are arranged at an angle. The practical result is fewer vibrations, especially at low speeds. The drivetrain is very powerful. At Market Launch, we offer outputs from 245 kilowatts in the rear-wheel drive model to 385 kilowatt turning all 4 wheels. In terms of efficiency, the car's incredible aerodynamics also play a major role. The EQS actually has a drag coefficient of only 0.20, better than any other production car out there. This benchmark figure is critical, maximizing the electric range. Of course, there are a number of other measures we took to ensure you get the most out of every charge. One is the enhanced Eco Assistant, which analyzes traffic situations, gradients, vehicles ahead, and speed limits, and supports the driver with intelligent recuperation. The EQS can therefore relieve the driver of braking and, depending on the situation, stop automatically if necessary when vehicles ahead are detected. Whenever the situation allows, the system switches to coasting, so the EQS drives with almost zero energy consumption. Then there is navigation with electric intelligence, which plans the best route for you. It continuously analyzes the topography, route, ambient temperature, speed, and the charging infrastructure. The cloud-based system then calculates the energy requirements in order to determine the optimal route. For the first time, alternative routes are also offered. Finally, the charging system of the EQS is designed for all common charging options. We offer charging from household outlets with up to 22 kW AC to quick charging. Charging is actually possible almost anywhere. But with Mercedes Me Charge, our EQ customers get direct access to more than 500,000 charging points worldwide. This includes quick charging with DC up to 200 kW. With this, you can recharge up to 300 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. And our Mercedes EQ customers will get free fast charging for a year through the IONITY network in Europe. We will also offer several new intelligent charging functions. For example, the charging process will automatically pause at certain times in order to make advantages of the best electricity rates. And with green charging from Mercedes Me Charge, we feed as much green power into the grid as you charged up with. Ladies and gentlemen, to sum it up, this is electric luxury at its best. Our EQS is built on our new electric vehicle architecture. It's scalable in every respect, from the track and wheelbase to the drivetrain and battery. The electric drive system of the EQS offers an output up to 385 kilowatts. Its electric motors are doubly decoupled from the body and acoustically insulated. Our in-house assembled battery can provide a range up to 770 kilometers according to WLTP. The car's incredible aerodynamics also play a major role in range and efficiency. The EQS actually has a benchmark drag coefficient of only 0.20. Finally, you can charge almost anywhere. With DC quick charging, you can recharge up to 300 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. It's clear, the EQS offers customers the perfect balance of performance, range, efficiency, and ease of charging.
The EQS is the first all-electric luxury sedan from Mercedes-EQ. As the youngest member of the family, the sedan has an electric drivetrain concept that is the basis for further models. The modular architecture is consequently tailored to the electric drivetrain and enables different vehicle variants. The EQS has a lithium-ion battery concept that is modular, efficient, and innovative. The battery system can be flexibly equipped with pouch or hardcase cells and, depending on the variant, enables a range of up to 770 kilometers. The in-house developed battery software enables technological over-the-air updates. In this way, the energy management of the EQS will also remain up to date in the future. The EQS drives pleasantly quietly. This is made possible by the intelligent design and construction of the electric drivetrain, the arrangement of the elastomer bearings and support frames, as well as the sound insulation of the electric powertrain. The drive noises and vibrations are optimally isolated. Silence as luxury becomes the guiding principle of the new EQS. The four-wheel drive with two E-engines are harmoniously coordinated. Depending on the driving requirements, both drive modules are intelligently combined for optimal performance and efficiency. The result? Long range with strong performance. The enhanced developed Eco Assistant detects the route and supports the driver with intelligent recuperation. Whenever the situation allows, the system changes to sailing mode. Thus, the EQS drives almost without any energy usage. The Eco Assistant analyzes traffic situations, gradients, vehicles ahead and speed limitations, and supports the driver in anticipatory driving. Thanks to the intelligent recuperation strategy, the EQS relieves the driver from braking and, depending on the situation, stops automatically when vehicles ahead are detected. The cloud-based navigation with electric intelligence calculates proactively and continuously the energy requirements in order to determine the optimal route. The topography, route, surrounding temperature, speed, and the charging infrastructure are constantly being analyzed. If the driver wants additional reserves at the planned charging stations, he can set this individually. He does not need to worry about the range. The charging system of the EQS is designed for all common charging options, from the household socket to the quick charging station with plug and charge. Charging is possible almost anywhere. Through Mercedes Me Charge, Mercedes EQ customers have direct access to more than 500,000 charging points worldwide. Bidirectional charging makes it possible for the first time to pass the energy from the battery onto other consumers. This turns the car into an electricity supplier, for example, for your own house.